Respected guests, principal teacher, parents, all my dear friends. My name is Tarun. I'm a I usually be invited today. Today is 15 August, the invited today. Invited today. Today is 15 August, the Independence Day of our country. Today we are celebrating the 28th Independence Day of our country. Independence Day of India. Independence Day is our national picture. On this day in 1947, British rule he see all nature and